Got my gear all packed up, got my coffee, and now I'm just gonna go meet my brother, Martin, buddy I went to boot camp with over at the mall, and we'll all caravan from there, so stay tuned. Classic pre-road trip stop. Martin! My boy. Here we go. Yo. Woo! Damn, dude, she sounds mean. Woo. What's up, dude?
What's up, dude? Yeah, my buddy Chase is already over there, I guess.
Yeah, he's up at that hotel. We're gonna meet him there.
I guess so.
What's up, man? What's up? See you, dude.
Excited, yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna be filming most of this trip for my YouTube channel, so I hope you don't mind.
Sure. I do vlogs with my buddy from my unit. So
Yeah, fuck yeah. Cool. Nice. And minimalist out here, dude.
Well, I got a lot of. I got like the cooler, the food, tent, sleeping bag, hammock.
The shell real quick. Martine's got to gas up, so once he tops off, we'll hit the road.
To stay on I-5 North.
All right, so we stopped at a hotel in Paso Robles to pick up Martine's, or not pick up, but meet up with Martine's kid friend from home. So we're gonna, we're gonna meet up with him and then continue the caravan on over to the beach. Once we hit the Pacific Coast Highway, I think it's gonna be a gorgeous sunrise drive all the way up to Bigsur. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Really scenic drive. I'm on the 46 West right now. It's like a link between Paso Robles and Cambria. Cambria is right off the Pacific Coast Highway, so it should look pretty gorgeous as soon as we get out there. I mean, not that I'm complaining about this drive. This is looks like Wyoming or some shit. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. We're in Cambria, California. Pretty nice little town.
I like it.
It's a cool spot. Just can't wait till we can see the beach. That's gonna be nice. Passing the town of Cambria, and I think we're about to hit the coast right now. And I think if I point off to the left in a second, we should be able to see the ocean if the marine layer is not too bad. Let's take a look. Oh yeah. Look at that fucking view. Oh my goodness. That's great. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Alright, so we stopped at the elephant seal viewing point. Let's see if we see any elephant seals out here. You see elephant seals? Oh, fuck. That's a fat motherfucker down there, dude. My car keys. Oh, that's cool. Oh, there's one. Smells like what you would imagine elephant seals smell like. It's horrible. Oh, damn. What do you call them? Like a tribe? A school? A school of elephant seals?
I did a pod at first. That actually
A pod?
right.
A gaggle? A gaggle of elephant seals? What's those ones? Are they fighting or are they fucking? Oh, dude. You know how much meat we could get on one of those?
I think they're really wonderful.
Hopefully not how they smell. got to the trail. This is looking pretty promising, guys. Feeling sick. We're closed. That doesn't look good. Thank God for 4x4. We just got to our camp spot for the weekend. Not a bad view.
Yeah, Chase, I definitely miss my team.
Yeah, I do.
I think so.
All right, so as you can see, this is our final campsite we decided to stay at. I'm about to start cooking dinner pretty soon here. Yeah. Chase has got the MIA Outdoors rooftop tent. That thing's pretty cool. I'm gonna rock the air mattress back here later. But yeah, pretty overall cool spot. Pretty hot, but we got the canopy, thank God. It's a great view though. Look at that. It's nice pine trees. The fucking hills, little rocky looking mountains in the distance. It's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Damn it, it was so hot last night. I was like sweating the entire time I was in there. Kathy. All right, so we just left our first camp, and now we're heading over to the general store down the road. Get some ice, get some water, anything else we might need, and then we're gonna just go explore after that. Maybe go find like a waterfall hike. Maybe go eventually maybe go to the beach, and then eventually we're gonna scout out our next campground. We'll try to go to the original one we wanted to. But we're gonna have to try and hit it from the north side, so we'll see how it goes. Now we're getting closer down to the marine layer. It's kind of sick. Tight turns here, but there's a lot of space around these turns for if there's like traffic, two-way traffic, you need to move over. There's plenty of spots, so. This is cool. Some jungle vibes. Our team's taking a shit.
Go over to the camp.
Oh.
Like you want to sit down?
Oops.
I wouldn't mind checking out the campground.
You want to do that first?
No, I don't got to shit that bad or nothing. I just I was like, that's why like I was willing to hold it till I got down here.
Way cooler. The air feels refreshing. We were sweating at 6 a.m. up there.
Oh my god, it's so much better.
She's dirty. I gotta fix my griddle. I looked over, my griddle fucking, my griddle flipped over. left the Gorda General Store. It was only like 10 minutes south of the first trail we went on. And then got some ice, got some water, got some double stuffed Oreos. And yeah, now we're just gonna head north towards hopefully the right trail. It'll take us up where we want to go, and then from there we'll be able to hopefully along the way we can find some cool turnouts, some cool viewpoints, some cool spots to go explore, maybe find a hike or something. That'd be cool. So yeah. So we found a little road down to the beach right here off the PCH. Not bad. Oh, this sand is weird. Black sand. Woo. So this, probably one of the prettier camping trips I've done. I don't know if you can hear me, sorry if it's too windy, but it's definitely one of the prettier trips I've done. Walking down the beach is pretty, just like how big these cliffs are, how high up they go, it's pretty nice. It's, definitely a big fan of it. But anyway, yeah, I think we're just gonna keep doing this. Probably keep stopping at different spots that we can see. Whoa, see where they take us, and then yeah, probably gonna set up camp later. Hopefully not too late, so we get a good spot. But yeah, this is the cleanest my feet I've been this whole trip. Hopefully this isn't people's pee. But, you know, it's a way to tell. What?
Like
little crab?
No, fish.
Fish, where?
Or bait fish. Every so often they're coming up and grabbing something off the top. Let's see if they do anything if I fire off that water.
Don't disturb the wildlife. Unless you eat it. Unless you're planning on eating it. Well, did you just find a little path to Neverland? Did you find a little path to Neverland over there? That's huge. That's gorgeous. Pull my boots. Put my boots on. Gotta get the sand off myself. Are those bugs? No, I'm just kidding, it's sand. All right, now we're off to the next spot. See what we can find. So we found our next spot. nice. Isn't this nice? Yeah. Not bad. What do you guys think? Huh? My friend's at lagging. Nice and pretty. Not bad. Not a bad spot. Oh, pretty over here. Still pretty overcast. The marine layer's on pretty thick, but not complaining, just keeping it cool down here. There's Chase. I don't know where Martine is. Not bad. Not a bad little climbing spot. Getting up's always the easy part. God damn it. So we couldn't get to the other campground. It was closed for fire danger. I don't know why I wouldn't tell us that online, but okay. We improvised and overcome, so we're just gonna go back up the same hill we went before, and if I could find a different spot, I'll turn this around. Yeah, Chase and Martine said they found a pretty good different spot than ours that we stayed at last night up the same hill, and we're gonna see if that's still open. We'll try that one out. It might be I don't know if they said that there was a place to hammock from. It's kind of like if we could find a campsite that has a tree that we could hammock on, which also means shade, that would be pretty ideal. But obviously the most important thing is getting a view to the ocean. So, you know, hopefully yeah, Chase still got a 2 runner, so he's gonna have to keep his momentum up here so he's not slipping and sliding so much. So I'm got 4-wheel drive, all terrain tires, so I'm not really gonna rush. Just cruising. Look at that. That's amazing though. Look at that. I've got Martine behind me too. Isn't really too bad of a spot for tonight. Kind of a little out of the ways, but pretty badass nonetheless. Oh, gotta pick a good line here. Let that engine brake for me. This works for me.
Either this one or that one we passed. It had like a little more shade, I feel like.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah. There's our little campground that we got. Pretty peaceful. A little kind of hidden gem off this little, you can tell it's definitely a lot less traveled. Honestly, most stock two-wheel drives probably couldn't get out here. But the 2Runner's got enough clearance and he's ballsy enough, so.
I think especially because the sand down there, I mean, it wasn't really sand, it was gravel.
Cool hammock setup.
And it was really nice.
Actually not a bad little camping spot.
it was actually like a nice beach. Yeah.
I'm like debating it now before I eat more mushrooms.
Oh, whether we should go down or not?
I've only had like a couple, so I'm kind of just like.
If I were you, honest, because I started to think that when I went to my trip.
Camp setup. Wait a little bit. You can literally see. I'm like genuinely curious, like what the range is, like how far I can see distance-wise into the ocean, you know? Pretty epic. Nope. Still exploring. Let's see if, God forbid, one of our things blows over the edge. How dangerous of a task it would be to go and retrieve it, especially at night. Just fucking wander off the edge. That'd be pretty messed up. Oh fuck. Well, I'm already this far. Thick right there. That's why we brought something to hydrate with. Ooh. Oh Jesus! Should have crossed up there. Would have been easier, but definitely not walking uphill when I don't need to. Oh. That's why we put on pants, ladies and gentlemen. That's why we put on pants. The basketball shorts would have not handled this buckwheat very well. Ooh. Jesus, she's tall. Fucking rattlesnake central. Gotta keep an eye out for rattlesnake, poison oak, spiders. I don't like those. What's up, Chase? Woo! That rock is what I can see from a little camping spot. Wanted to see how steep it gets, how much of a drop off it is. I figured this little rock position. It's pretty steep. It might be hard to tell in the video, but I'm like half jogging only because I'm sliding if I go slow. So, I'll step on a snake. Not a bad spot though. That'd be a cool little rock to sit on. What do you guys think? Not a bad spot for a sensor, huh? admiring the views from the spot. You could see the sun over the marine layer, the sunset. It's looking pretty gorgeous. And then on this side, we got marine layer rolling in. Alright, it's the last day, and we decided to come down early, skip breakfast. It was already really hot up there on the ridge. Like, it was hot. The sun is punishing already at 7 a.m. So we came down here where it's colder. We're gonna go to the beach, make some coffee, and then we'll decide what if we're gonna eat breakfast or what we're gonna do. But we'll probably hang out at the beach for a little bit, enjoy it while we're up here, and then yeah, it's gonna be a nice morning. It's definitely way more refreshing down here. Just found this cool little hike down to the beach. We just hung out there for a little bit, did some fishing, made a fresh pot of coffee, and now just waiting for Chase to air up his tires since he had to air down to get out of our camping spot. And soon we'll hit the road. Probably try to find a small diner in the town of Cambria along the Pacific Coast Highway, and then yeah, get some French toast or something. Be a great way to cap off the trip. And then I think the drive down is going to be mostly along the PCH, so should be really scenic on the way home. I'm excited. All right, well, not a bad looks like there's an accident or something on the PCH, but so far, yeah, it wasn't a bad trip at all. I had a really good time, and thank you guys for watching, and hopefully that gave you guys a little feel of what some of the vibe is, some of the off-roading and camping vibe is over in Bigsur. Yeah, have a good one, guys.